Welcome to Angel of Nikoleta Design. In today's episode, I'm a little bit further from the mic and I hope you can hear me better this time. And today we are reading my second article that I published on Medium, and the topic is why it is so hard to create and publish your portfolio. Let's dive in. Why is it so hard to create and publish your portfolio? There is a Bulgarian saying stating, "The shoemaker often walks barefoot." Hi, I'm Nikoleta and I'm a web developer and UX UI designer that is curious about countless things. One of them is self-improvement and anything related to creating or creativity. I'm not a writer, but I have always practiced some writing in micro and regular journaling. Maybe you can expect a book from me soon, who knows? Starting as a freelancer and reaching out to clients means that 9 out of 10 times they will ask you about your portfolio or previous work you did. While some colleagues advise creating your portfolio in Notion or any other self-hosting and free service, I know for certain that most designers have the urge to postpone publishing an entire portfolio than doing it as, minimalistic or unimpressive. Or is it just me? The struggle to have a perfect portfolio is demotivating and captivating in some endless spiral of procrastination, and just trying to find the right words urges me to close my laptop and go for a walk or something similar. Quote, "Perfection is the enemy of progress" by Winston Churchill. And here I am writing a Medium article about creating your portfolio but by postponing the same action myself. So what is the solution to this endless cycle then? These are the steps I'm following for creating my portfolio, or MVP, minimum valuable portfolio. First, acknowledge the reason for delaying the design and publishing of your portfolio. Is it fear of judgment, imposter syndrome, perfectionism, or God knows what else? Second, create an MVP for your portfolio after reading tons of articles on how to craft a perfect one. Third, start with a single page including the sections. Hero section, above the fold also called, includes a short introduction of who you are and what you do. Call to action button for contact, for example. A profile picture is optional on this phase. Your case studies or previous work, contact details, footer, that's it. 4. Write down your case studies or prepare your visuals if you are a photographer or different type of creative professional. 5. Choose your best 2-3 projects you are proud of and wish to attract similar work with. 6. Stick to black and white for your color scheme. Trust me, as soon as you start making it, we'll see how enough and perfect it looks even with that bare minimum. 7. Choose a simple font family and don't overcomplicate it. If you like the font of the template you use, stick with it. 8. If you need a logo, put your name or abbreviations in the easiest and most minimalistic font you can think of. 9. Create a title skeleton of what your case studies will look like. Use that template for the rest of the case study projects so that the user can effortlessly skim the rest of the content after being familiar with the first outline. 10. Start importing the text into the title skeleton. 11. Gradually start adding images or GIFs that best fit the storyline of your project. 12. Include your contact information in the footer or at the bottom of the page. You succeeded, my friend. There is no more steps. Now, what follows is to publish it, run some tests, and send it to your friends, family, and colleagues. Make sure to take note of their feedback and keep it during the next iteration of your portfolio. This breaking down of your portfolio in shorter phases also helps you to overcome the sunk cost fallacy we often face when spending too much time on a project. Don't forget to check your links. There are not that many, remember? MVP. Do your best with the SEO and enjoy the stress-free negotiation next time a potential client or collaborator asks you for your portfolio. Hopefully, this article helps you start and finish something you do for many people, except for yourself. myself included. I'm curious to see how it turns out. Feel free to share your progress. Thank you for reading and listening. Consider giving me a follow or subscribing for more interesting articles. Your comments and feedback keep me motivated to write and talk more and improve. Have a great week. P.S. If you want to be part of my curious and meaningful journey, you can find me on Instagram and LinkedIn. That's it. Also, guys, thank you so much for your attention and can't wait to record the third article and see the feedback from this one. Thank you. Bye.